Hello, David here. Welcome to Cleve's Backyard Woodworking. In today's carving, we're going to do this vintage skeleton lady. Nice little cool design. I'm going to start off with the kutzall extreme taper burr. And if you want to save 5% on these kutzall burrs, go to the link below. Use the code CleveBW at checkout at the kutzall website and you'll save yourself 5%. So let's get into this carving. I'm going to do like a time lapse. And we'll be using different burrs, switching them up, and let's get this going. Alright, so I got the carving all completed. I went ahead off camera and used some more carving burrs, carbide bits and some diamond burrs. And with those burrs I went ahead and did more fine details. And so I just finished sanding, smoothing some of it out, and now I'm going to set up the wood burner and get this burned in with some more details and undercuts and darken up the eyes and the ribs area. Alright, so let's get that wood burning started. So I got the wood burner all set up, the TechCheek Pro 2. I have a video of the unboxing of this, so if you guys want to check that out. So I got this attachment in there, this wire nib. It's got a little point in it, so I'm going to do the teeth with that, some of these undercuts, and then maybe switch over to this rounder one. Alright, so let's get that done. Let's back this up a little bit, put it on level 6. See how that goes. That should be good for the teeth. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of this to make this video not so long. So we'll be right back with everything burned, and then we'll go on to the next step. Alright, so I got all the wood burning completed. Check that out. So I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit more sanding, and then when we come back we'll put some Mod Podge on this and then start with the painting. Alright. Hey, so just real quick, I went ahead and sanded this part here with the polka dots. I didn't really like it too much, so I repainted it with some more red, and then I'm gonna come back with some white and do some better polka dots. Right, so I'll get that done, and we'll finish this off with some Mod Podge. That'll be it for the video. So stay tuned for the final reveal. Here she is, completed. Liking the polka dots much better. Hope you all enjoyed the video and it gave you some ideas for your carvings. Check out the links in the description. You'll be able to check out my merch store, pick up a shirt or sticker, my Amazon affiliate store, and the links of the burrs and tools can be found there as well. If you would like to support the channel in any way, those links down there also. So all that cool stuff is there in the description. Alrighty, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.